Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to fix thumbnails preview not showing in Windows 11 File Explorer. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now the case is when you try to bring up your File Explorer, the thumbnails preview is not showing here, as you can see. Okay? And in order to fix the problem, I'll be performing a very basic step. Okay? And that is here at the bottom search bar, please type for control panel. Once you've typed it, wait until a best match would appear in this window. And once it's here, just have to double tap to continue. So in a few moments, you will be redirected to the control panel window. And if your view doesn't look like this, simply proceed the upper right side of that. You can see the view by, click this down arrow key and go with large icons. Once you've set it, please locate for the option called File Explorer Options, which is in my case being placed at the fifth row next to date and time. So click on it and eventually you will be able to bring up the File Explorer Options window. You can now close the control panel so that we can focus on this one. So this File Explorer options is being composed of three components and that are general, view, and search. Then we need to proceed to the view where we can see the advanced settings. So here at the advanced settings, you can see there a settings for files and folders. And from here, at the very first of that, you can see there always show icons, never thumbnails. Now, the reason why you get an error is that you have turned it on. So this option is very crucial, okay? And in order to make your thumbnails work or show, you need to uncheck this one. And once you have unchecked it, go with apply and then OK. And then that way you will be able to show your thumbnails preview. So if you will bring up our File Explorer again, and if you will navigate to the downloads, in my case, you will be able to see the thumbnails preview here in your File Explorer. Okay, so from that on, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget also to leave a thumbs up and please don't forget to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on fixing your thumbnail preview not showing in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.